Hey everyone, I'm Rachel Clemen and I am going to show you how to use your new GelMoment Stamping Kit. So your kit will come with 3 stamping plates and 3 stamping gels. It will also come with a dual-ended stamper and 2 silicone replacement heads. So first I'm going to create a pattern with the black stamping gel. I'm going to just drop a little bit on the pattern that I choose and then take the scraper and I just scrape across the metal plate until it's clean on top. Gently push the stamper into the stamping plate and you'll see that your pattern comes off on the silicone head. Gently push the stamper onto your nail and make sure that you get over the sides of the nail as well. All you have to do is clean them up with the cleanser wipe before you cure the polish under the lamp. How easy is that to do an amazing pattern in a matter of seconds? Make sure to move your stamping gels away from the lamp when you cure your polish, and you can just use a cleanser wipe to clean off the silicone head. Next, I'm going to try the leopard print pattern. I just used the leftover gel that was still on my scraper, scraped it over top of the stamping plate, gently pressed the stamper into the stamping plate, and then onto my nail. Clean it up again with a cleanser wipe, and then cure the polish under the lamp. I'm just cutting out the curing video just to save time. I love the way that that leopard print looks over top of our In the Mood polish. Next, I wanted to try something that I do with our polishes, and that is mixing the colors. I was wanting to do a giraffe print, but I wanted to be a little bit more browny than gold. So I mixed all 3 colors and it actually came out with this darker gold, which I really love. I brushed it onto the plate with one of our brushes from the Creativity set and then used the scraper to scrape it, push the stamper gently into the plate, and then onto my nail. Once again, clean it up with a cleanser and then cure your polish under our LED lamp. Last but not least, I'm going to do one more pattern with the black stamping gel on my pinky nail. I just put a little bit on the stamping plate at this point because it's a pinky nail, it's smaller, so I don't need to cover the entire pattern. I just gently press the stamper into the stamping plate and then onto my pinky. You just want to make sure not to push too hard on your nail or the pattern will actually stretch out. So you just want to gently let it touch the surface of your nail and you're good to go. Make sure you're curing it under the lamp so that it's completely solid and you don't have to top it with anything else. So if you now know all that you need to know, then you can stop the video. If you want to see me do another manicure, I am going to do one more here. Now, when you're doing a pattern with quite an intricate design, such as text, you want to make sure that you're not pushing the silicone stamper onto your nail too hard, or it will actually separate the font, make it wobbly, that kind of thing. So just be patient with yourself. You may have to wipe it off of your nail and start again to get it just right. I'm going to use the gold stamping gel for a heart pattern. You just drop a little bit onto the stamping plate, take the scraper, scrape across, stamp the silicone stamper into it, and stamp over top of your nail. Clean it up with a cleanser wipe, and cure it under the lamp. How cute are those hearts? For my pinky nail, I'm going to use white on the chevron pattern. My pinky's so tiny that it won't actually show a full chevron. It'll just kind of be up and down, and that's all right. So there's the last nail. I cleaned it up, I cured it, and this is my manicure. I hope this video shows you how easy this stamping kit really is and gets you excited to try your own.